Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be the continuation of the series of videos I'm doing from my trip to Tulum. In my previous video, which I'm gonna link down below, I'm also gonna put a card here for your reference, I mentioned that I'm gonna be dividing the videos in this series into the places I stayed while visiting Tulum. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the second place where I stay, and this one is Papaya Playa Project. This place is as wonderful and magical as the previous one, but of course in a different way. Before we jump into the video, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do so, and also like the videos, because with this you help us smaller YouTubers like me, I'm still growing this channel, to make this channel bigger. By liking and commenting the videos, you tell the algorithm that you're enjoying so much what you're seeing, and with this YouTube will show our videos to more people. So now you know what to do. And without more further ado, let's jump into the video. So here we're arriving at the second location, which is the Papaya Playa Project, which is also a couple of meters away from the first location we were staying in Azulik, and it's also at the Mayan jungle. Already the feeling here is a very creative community, and also lets you 100% reconnect with nature in a absolutely beautiful urban spirit. So now that we're done with the check-in, they will also lead us to a room and they will give us like a little tour of the place. And I can already feel this communal playground where so many creative people get together and this local culture merge. And I can also feel this sustainability and all this hospitality experience. So we're arriving at our rooms and we're so lucky to get a room pretty much at the front beach and pool area. The design of the hotel evokes like a traditional Mayan way of building, and as soon as I entered this room, I absolutely fell in love with the simplicity of it, but also with this special charm. Here the interiors are designed with local traditional materials and textiles by Mexican natives from different regions, and I love how the architecture is very simple yet very functional, so that the guests are able to interact mainly with nature. So we headed down to the restaurant for dinner. And this restaurant is one of the main features of the beach club, which is located at one of the most exclusive beaches of Tulum. The culinary experience was delightful with this front beach view, let alone the specialties with the food and the drinks. The next morning we woke up very early to catch up the sunrise, and this is, by the way, one of the most recommended things to do in Tulum. Wherever you are in Tulum, you need to at least one time to wake up with the sunrise. And to me, rising up with the sun and connecting to nature is one of the most powerful feelings one could ever have. If you follow me for a while, you know that I love me a morning workout, and what better place to do it at the beach in nature. So here we are with my friend. She's pretty much my travel and exercise buddy, and we're just ready for our morning workout routine. And here I'm doing one of my favorite workout routines from one of my favorite fitness trainers that I follow. I've mentioned her in a couple of videos already, Kayla Itsines. I'm gonna link her down below for your reference. And also, by the way, here I'm wearing one of my favorite swimwear brands, which I'm gonna link down below. I love this swimwear because it's not only of top quality materials, but it also has strong support, which makes it perfect for a good workout routine. And I also love to include resistance bands to my workout because they're easy to carry around, easy to pack, and they provide a great workout. And like I mentioned previously, we were so lucky to get a room right in front of the beach, and we decided after our workout session just to chill for a couple of hours in the morning, breathe it all in, read a book, just take the sun, contemplate the nature and the beauty of this place while we were getting ready to go to brunch. There are two restaurants in this hotel. One is vegan and the second one is the main one where we are right now. And the menu is based on recipes influenced by Mayan and Mexican traditions. The ingredients are also locally sourced at organic markets. I can only say the food was absolutely delicious. And the beach club is also fabulous. There's always music playing, either by guest artists or in-house DJs. So this project was created as a space for like-minded creative individuals to unwind and connect with self and nature. And their main purpose and vision is to create a sustainable and responsible Tulum that can serve as an example of hospitality around the world. Inside the communal playground, you will find local stores. You also have a little coffee shop. You have also a juice bar and also a spa with all types of wellness programs. And so the next day we signed up for one of the wellness programs, which is called Immersion Yoga. And this is with yogis from all over the world. And this took place at a space called the Chapelle, which is overlooking the sea. I can only say this was by far one of the most holistic experience I had so far in Tulum. This place is huge. And there's so much to see and discover. And while I was here, I read something that really caught my attention, and that said, "Pragmatic, a driven traveler who is guided by the idea that travel should be proactive, purposeful, and above all, foster a sense of personal growth." And this is exactly how I feel in this place. We had a wonderful time here. It was a unique experience. This is a very inspirational concept that honors the creativity, the wild beauty, and the freedom of original Tulum. Here, every day is different, and every day feel a sense of bliss and 100% connection with nature. How they used to call it is a barefoot luxury experience. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and remember to hit the bell so that you don't miss my future notifications. More is coming. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Stay well. Bye-bye.